Welcome to this Cadline Dynamic Maps video. We'll be looking at the Excel Loader tool within MapThat. The Excel Loader tool is available from the Edit Tools menu by choosing Import Data and then Excel Loader. The Excel Loader lists any current XLS uploads, with tools allowing you to export the data and also delete each file. Ticking the box to the left will add the XLS layer into the map. In this example, we've added a list of Liverpool patients to the map, represented by hospital icons. If we hover over the map features, we view a bubble showing the attribute information for each patient. Then using the arrow on the right, we can also open the full data table to get a list of each patient record. Let's untick to hide the patient layer, and then use a Create New plus icon to upload a new XLS file. Firstly, give the layer a name, for example Parks, and then press Browse to navigate and find the Excel file you wish to upload. Having chosen Open, in the Importer tool, now choose a suitable icon to represent the features. This could be a crime symbol or a dentist surgery. In this case, let's choose a Parks icon. Before we choose Upload, press the question mark, as this will provide the rules that your XLS file must follow so that the records are successfully geocoded on the map. The key is that your first record must be the column headers, and you'll also need an addressable value such as coordinates, a postcode, or full address. Now choose the Upload arrow, and the data in your Excel file is geocoded. A new layer of points is added into the map. If we hover over each park feature again, we get the information bubble showing us the attributes. And opening the data table from the right will allow us to check that all of our XLS records were successfully imported. If you then select one of the records in the list, the map will auto-zoom and recenter over that record. For example, here we've zoomed to Stanley Park. The Excel Loader tool allows you to view as many Excel layers as you wish. Simply tick to view them from the left and each layer is added into the map. The MapThat Excel Loader tool was designed for non-GIS users who wish to quickly open their Excel files to view records on a map. This is perfect for crime and health analysts to undertake mapping analysis using their source XLS files.